a dynamic and a awe-inspiring 3D world. We are here to teach you how you can make your own one-point perspective drawing, how you can focus all the depths and how you can focus all the enthusiasm into one point. Fascinating introduction. Dear audience, speaking of perspective, let us find out what actually is perspective in arts. Artists use this perspective to represent three-dimensional object into a two-dimensional surface. For example, a piece of paper or canvas. In that way, it looks natural and realistic. Perspective can create an illusion of space and depth on a flat surface or a picture plane. Dear audience, now we are done with the wordy definition of perspective. So let us discover how I made this one-point perspective drawing in poster paints. I'll teach you step by step so you won't get lost. First, you have to draw the basic sketch of the trees and the one-point perspective. You have to align everything to the dot and to the horizon of the drawing. Now you can make some leaves and darken your sketch up. You can also fill it up with vibrant colors to make your drawing look beautiful. Now, dear audience, let us learn how to make one-point perspective drawn with the charcoal pencil. You'll be needing a pencil, a brush to rub off and to erase the charcoal pencil marks. You can also use the brush for smudging. You'll be needing a ruler and any charcoal pencil from 4B till 9B. Finally, you need a A4 sheet paper or you can use a thick chart paper as well if you want to. Now, let us draw the basic sketch of the drawing. So you have to do what I do in the video. As you can see that I am drawing the basic sketch and I am also aligning everything to the one-point perspective. It is very important to align the things with the one-point perspective because when you align the things with one-point perspective generally on a flat surface of an image that is seen by the eye, the most characteristic features of the linear perspective are that the objects appear smaller as their distance from the observer increases. Now when you have got everything in the place, you have to darken everything and makes the reflection. As you can see, the floor is white clean and you have to do after that you can do the shading. As you can see, the upper top of the lockers is more darker than the lower one. So and you can also shade the reflections as well. Now, dear audience, you will continue the shading until it will get darker and darker and until you reach the point that only lights are white away from the lights. And next, voila! You have got your second drawing ready. Perplexing elaboration. Dear audience, now when we have learned how can we make one-point perspective drawing using charcoal pencil and poster paints, let us move on to the perplexing elaboration part. So, dear audience, any perspective representation of a scene that includes parallel line has one or more vanishing points in a perspective drawing. A one-point perspective drawing means that the drawing has a single vanishing point, usually not although necessary directly opposite the viewer's eye and usually though not necessary on the horizon line. All the lines parallel with the viewer's line of straight recede towards its vanishing point. This is the standard receding railroad tracks phenomenon. Anecdotal time. Filippo Brunelleschi. He was an inventor of the one-point perspective art. Dear audience, on the screen you can see three types of perspective drawings. That are the one-point perspective, the two-point perspective, which goes into two parts, and the depth is split open into two parts, and the three-point perspective. And they may seem really perplexing to you, but no worries, because the three-point perspective is a drawing that is almost similar to two-point perspective and one-point perspective, but the main difference is that it has three vanishing points. So in this, the depth is split open into three parts. Dear audience, do try this at home. Dear audience, I would request